How to turn on and enable passcode on Microsoft OneDrive. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Go to OneDrive. Now this is the home page, and now go down and click on your profile here. Click on me. It will take you to this page. Now click on settings here. After you click on settings, it will take you to this page. Scroll down until you find passcode option. Click on it, and now click on require code and add and create a 6-digit pin code in easy fast way. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.